What's up guys, I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on Hoppy, and understand I don't ever double post about a project, so this is very important. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm, I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, now as I said, I don't ever double post about a project, so there's a clear reason that I'm making this video about Hoppy today. I see a lot of people freaking out about what happened to Hoppy yesterday. And as you guys can see, if you look at the daily time frame, Hoppy got nuked. You can see this red candle wicked all the way down here to 50 million. Now personally, I'm very jealous of those of you guys who got to actually buy this wick. I was working out at the time, so I missed it. But anyways, I want to go over what actually happened, because again, there are so many of you guys who are freaking out about Hoppy right now. And it just so happens that this massive sell-off happened right after I posted my video. But anyways, the first thing I want you guys to take a look at is Etherscan. Now, if you guys have never looked at the holders before, you might not understand this. However, if you have looked at the holders, what is missing right now? So a lot of you guys probably know there used to be a wallet up here that held 2.77% of the supply. If you look at the bubble maps on Hoppy, it hasn't updated for like 5 weeks. And you can see right here, the third largest holder, 2.77% of the supply. It used to be this bubble right here. Now again, when you go over to Etherscan, it's no longer there. So basically what happened yesterday is the #1 Hoppy holder sold his entire bag, 2.77% worth, and it was worth over like $1.2 million. I'll go ahead and I'll show you some of the transactions. So if we go ahead and click on the whales and you scroll down, you can see he sold a bunch of huge clips. There's been a lot of whale transactions since then, but we'll keep on scrolling down. Okay, so here it is right here. He sold 141,000, 134,000, 124,000, 124,000 again. And if you come over here, Dex Tools is not always accurate, but it says he sold $1.7 million worth. So even more than I thought. I thought it was like 1.2, but it's 1.7 based on Dex Tools. Now, I want you to actually think about something for a second though. The #1 Hoppy holder sold 2.77% of the supply, and Hoppy is all the way back to an $85 million market cap already. Does that not show you guys the strength of this project? And what I want you guys to understand is a dip that bad can never happen again. Understand that was the #1 wallet. No single person can do that much damage again. Obviously, if something happened to MEXC and all of their holdings got liquidated, that would not be good at all. But in terms of just an individual holder, that can't happen again. And a lot of people are worried because they're only looking at the short-term price action. But I want you guys to understand that from a long-term perspective, this is awesome. Now when Hoppy actually runs, you don't have to worry about a massive wallet selling. Imagine if Hoppy was like 300 million, 400 million at the time. Can you imagine how much damage that would have done to the chart? He would have ended up selling like $6 or $7 million worth. Just to kind of show you guys what I'm talking about, I want to take a look at Pepe. So as you can see, Pepe in the last few days has had a very nice pump. The chart looks a little bit different than Hoppy's, but Hoppy also did already smash all-time highs, so now it's just retracing. Anyways though, Pepe is at a $5.3 billion market cap. And if you take a look at the holders, what do you notice? Okay, obviously Binance holds a giant portion at 24%, but then OKX is an exchange, the #3 wallet's an exchange, Crypto.com. And as you scroll down, you just see tons of exchanges here. The first wallet that is potentially not an exchange is like wallet number 11, and that holds 1.08% of the supply. And at the moment, that's worth over $58 million. So again, if we go back and look at the Hoppy holders, you can see that there are still several wallets that hold over 1%. Even that is something that you don't ideally like to see, but over time it'll get significantly better as the project gets larger, because these wallets will start to take profits and then new investors will start accumulating a position. But I'm telling you right now, I cannot stress this enough. For the long-term sake of Hoppy, this was phenomenal and it was very needed. The holders look so much better now that there is not a 2.77% wallet. Not to mention that wallet bought extremely early as well. So he was up over $1 million in profit. And again, just to take a quick look at Hoppy, it's not like they're going anywhere. Their X is continuing to grow every single day. They post on here every single day. This is still one of my highest conviction projects this bull run. Definitely in terms of mid-cap meme coins, it is probably my highest conviction. So personally, I am not letting this dip shake me out. This changes absolutely nothing. In fact, again, I truly think it makes Hoppy stronger in the long term. But if you guys don't already follow Hoppy on X, then definitely come over and give him a follow. And then I always recommend joining the Telegram. The Telegram is going to help you guys stay engaged with the community. Now, I do also quickly just want to go over Bitcoin. So if you look at Bitcoin on the 10-day time frame, Bitcoin has had a very nice explosion. As you guys know, we've had Bitcoin drawn on this bull flag for months now, and everything is finally starting to come to fruition. But Bitcoin came all the way up here to touch $89,983, so it got rejected just under 90,000. But if you look at the 10-day time frame, we look phenomenal right now. The RSI and stochastics both still have plenty of juice to keep going. Now, my one issue is the 1-day time frame. If you look at the 1 day, we are extremely overbought. The RSI is cooked and the stochastics are cooked. Not to mention we are trading a long ways away from all of the moving averages. This does not just happen. Eventually, these moving averages are going to start working like a magnet. So don't be shocked if Bitcoin starts to flag out and then we come down and get a bounce off of the 21-day moving average. That could work as a great support level for us. And if for some reason the 21 does break, then don't be shocked if we come down and retest the 200-day, which is this golden line. But regardless of what happens, we don't want to lose the 200-day. If we eventually lose this golden line, then you know things are going to start shifting bearish. But I also want to point out regarding Hoppy, if you guys got in when we first got in, then you're not worried at all about this. And this is why I always hype up my Discord, because you know we are buying Hoppy at a $580,000 market cap. So even right now after the pullback, you're still up over a 100x. So definitely come over and check out my Patreon. I have 3 different tiers. And if you want to find the Patreon, I have the link on my YouTube homepage. We're building an excellent community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Hoppy will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.